All right, guys, welcome to Math 2 Online. Um, I am Patty Wishton. I'll be your instructor. Just walking you through what the class is going to look like in this video. When you go to APS, Schoology's page, the first thing that you're going to see is this updates. It's going to have all the updates from all of your different classes and stuff. The second thing that you need to go to is courses. So we're going to get courses up here. You're going to have boxes like this. You probably won't have as many as I do. You're going to find the one that says your Avenues Online Math 2 class. You're going to click that one. Within here, you're going to have the very first page that you're always going to get to is the updates page. Currently, it's blank. However, this is where I'm going to post every single day. I'm going to remind you of my office hours. I'm going to any updates that I have of the new assignments on the side right here. These are your upcoming assignments. So currently right now the first one is going to be looking at this Google Chat tutorial, so that way you know how to do Google Chat whenever you want to talk and get extra help. After that, you're going to click on materials. In here, materials, you'll see 3 different things, although you might not see this one because this is section 2 and you're only in section 1 for right now. So you're going to have your Start Here button. The Start Here button is going to include this video, so you probably already found it. It's going to include your math syllabus, which has all of the details of the class, the attendance policy, everything that you need to know about the actual math class. And then your Google Chat tutorial. Again, this is the first assignment that you must turn in on Tuesday. Go and install the Google Chat app and then create 2 Google Chat rooms, one for each of your classes in session 1. Take a screenshot showing me and upload that screenshot. Going back to the so that's your Start Here button that has all of your material just to start into the class. Then you have session 1. You are in session 1. Session 1 is from Tuesday the 17th until 20 days later. I don't know the exact date that we end, but that's session 1. In session 1, you're going to see all of the different days. Every day, 20 days, you're going to have a specific thing to do. So right now, let's look at day 1. Day 1 is a review of preliminary concepts. Right here you have your objectives. That's just for your information, just so you can see what you're learning about that day. Then you have your little review lesson. So you'll always have a video to watch. If you have any questions about that video or don't understand it, that would be when you would want to come to my office hours and get extra help. There's also a Here button, so there's on every video there's a place where you can read about it more. So for those that want to take notes and look through more information than just the video given, there's the Here button. And then it says for these first 2 lessons, because they are preliminary concepts that you should know from your previous classes, it's going to ask you to keep taking it until you get at least a 90 on it. Other lessons, it will tell you you have 3 attempts. So like most assignments or homework lessons in the class, you'll have 3 attempts at. These ones you can take as many times. And then after that, you'll have this little green puzzle piece icon. This green puzzle piece icon means that that's an actual assignment that you need to do. So we're going to click on this assignment, and it's going to take us in here to an actual assignment. If I click on, this is what it looks like for me. For what it looks like for you will be this. So on a separate sheet of paper, you're going to use a factor tree to factor all the prime numbers, and then we're going to figure out what each number should be in here, and we're going to fill that in the blank. So there's a lot of fill in the blank questions on your assignments. Notice all of these are fill in the blank. There are a couple questions, so let me go back to a different assignment. Yes, I want to leave here. So let's go into day 3. And let me click into polygons for a second. So in different assignments, there's going to be different types of problems. A lot of times it's fill in the blank. So, and then a couple times you'll have a matching section. And then there's going to be several times where you have to actually write out an answer, or where you have to take a picture and upload it to get credit for that assignment. So in this assignment, you have fill in the blank, you have short answers where you have to describe something, and you have a matching section. So that's a little bit about this class. You will have daily assignments that you must complete. You will also have a quiz, or like, let's say, an assessment. That's kind of like a smaller quiz, because we're not going to really do big tests within the 20 days. So you're going to have smaller quizzes probably about every 3 to 4 days. Those will say assessments. So like right here it says assessment on day 4. So you'll have your objective like normal. You'll have your lesson with your video. And then here you have an assignment with that lesson. So this is the assignment describing graphs. And then underneath it, it says assessment 1. So this would be like your first quiz attempt. Your quizzes, you will only get 2 chances to take it. If you want something, if you don't like your grade and you would like a better grade, please contact me. I'm all about giving you extra chances. If you want to go the extra mile of getting the help. Again, if you look in the bottom left-hand corner over here, it says my cell phone number, so that way you can get a hold of me. You can text me, would be better than calling. If you want to call, that's perfectly fine. It has my email address. It doesn't have it on here, but in a few minutes I will add my office hours. So it'll tell you my office hours for Monday through Thursday. Friday is an asynchronous day, so I will not be available for office hours on Friday. However, Monday through Thursday, I will have at least 1 hour a day for office hours. Sometimes I'll have 2. If you cannot make those office hours, just send me a quick text or send me a quick email, and we can set up a different time that day to work with you, either one-on-one or with other people. That's perfectly fine. But I just want to make sure that I'm here to help you at any point in time that you need help. That is a little rundown of the class. If you have any questions at any point, please contact me. I'm here to help as much as I can.